This is a quick fix I did on my 1994 Miata. It's got 215,000 miles on it. The clip securing the instrument hood had broken off over time, leaving this hood rattling on my dash. Finding out that lots of Miatas have this problem, it didn't seem feasible to replace it with a used hood. After getting the hood out of the way, I retrieved as much of the old securing hardware as possible. At my local hardware store, I purchased some epoxy resin products and sheet metal. The tools I used for this project included tin snips, pliers, and an electric drill. I scraped the surfaces of the instrument hood where I needed the epoxy resins to bond. Using the tin snips, I cut metal strips which I bent to shape and drilled holes in. Small holes to enhance epoxy resin adhesion, and a large hole for the screws securing the hood to the dash. I then fit-checked these brackets over the disintegrated plastic boss areas. Taking all of the saved broken clip support pieces, I used a clear epoxy resin to reconstruct two of the clip assemblies. Doing this ensured proper clip alignment, but they needed more strength. So I covered them with a putty type of epoxy for reinforcement. This gray epoxy comes in a two-part putty that you knead together to get the catalyst to do its thing. Being hidden, the clip supports didn't need to look pretty. The metal clips were then bonded to the hood surface, forcing the gray epoxy putty substance through the small drilled holes for added strength and adhesion, making sure the large hole of the bracket was properly located before the epoxy hardened. The clean break on the front surface of the hood I mended with clear epoxy and a small strip of fiberglass screening, like you find on house windows. Finally, the instrument hood was reinstalled and fit snug and secure. Time will tell how long this will last. In the meantime, a small pat on the back, a turn of the key, and I'm back on the road.